In today's video, we are going to talk about the 3 best landing page builders for beginners. The tools that we are going to talk about are easy to use, and comes up with a free plan as well. You'll get some advanced integration options and so many landing page templates within these tools. And the best thing about these tools is that you don't need any technical experience to use them. Every tool comes up with drag and drop builder that can help you create and edit your landing page whenever you want. But before we dig deeper into the video, if you've come to our channel first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Tool number 1. System.io. System, also pronounced as System.io, is an all-in-one marketing tool. You can create your marketing funnel with System and automate your landing page to generate leads and sales with it. This tool is already trusted by more than 300,000 entrepreneurs and businesses. You will also get hundreds of templates that you can use and customize as per your requirements. You can preview every template and then use whichever you like. You can edit every template with their drag and drop builder. You can also create and manage your online courses and do email marketing as well. This tool is one of the best all-in-one marketing tool available in the internet. Their free plan provides every features that a beginner will need. And you can upgrade this tool anytime you want in the future to get access to some of their advanced features. Plus, this is our #1 recommendation for you as well. Now let's come to the second tool, which is known as GetResponse. GetResponse is another all-in-one marketing tool that you can use to create your landing pages. GetResponse can rapidly grow your audience and your conversion rate using automated and personalized email campaigns. It has amazing features like marketing automation, landing page builders, free email and landing page templates, autoresponders and personalized drip marketing sequences. Even if you are a beginner, you will get 24/7 support system that will help you to master this tool. Their free plan comes up with some limitations, but you can easily create attractive, fast, responsive and high-converting landing pages with this tool. Just like the first tool, you can upgrade this tool in the future to get access to some of their advanced features. Tool number 3. Elementor Page Builder. Elementor is one of the best no-code web page builder available in the internet. You can use Elementor to create your websites, designing your web page and create astonishing landing pages. The only limitation is that it is a plugin, so you can only use this tool if you have a WordPress website. They have a free and a pro plan, but their free plan provides you everything that's required for a fast, responsive and high-converting landing page. You can get access to these tools from the links which is given in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video.